Example 7. The position of a particle is equal to 2t cubed minus 5t squared plus 3t plus 4, where t is in seconds. Find the acceleration when t equals 2 seconds. Okay, well, if this is a position graph, what is the change in position with respect to time? What's that called? Velocity. Okay, so if I take the derivative of this is 6t squared minus 10t plus 3. That is a velocity, because the derivative is the change in position with respect to time. That's like miles per hour, or feet per second, or centimeters per second type of thing. Now, just like the first derivative is velocity, what's the second derivative? Yeah, because if you change your velocity, you're accelerating, right? Okay, so I'm going to change my velocity with respect to time, and that's acceleration. That would be 12t minus 10. Now, my acceleration is waiting for a time. 2 seconds. 24 minus 10, 14 centimeters per second squared.